In this particular video, we will look into the details of last non-chordate phylum, and that is phylum Hemichordata. Now, talking about phylum Hemichordata, this phylum was earlier a subphylum in phylum Chordata. Now, any member that is present in phylum Chordata, one fundamental character is presence of notochord. So, initially, these members of phylum Hemichordata had a rod-like structure, and scientists thought that that particular structure is notochord, and that is why this phylum Hemichordata was initially a subphylum under phylum Chordata. But later on, more studies were done, and it was found that that particular structure, rod-like structure, is not notochord. It is in fact stomochord, and that is why this subphylum was removed from phylum Chordata, and a separate small minor phylum was formed, and that phylum today is known as phylum Hemichordata. After this, talking of the habitat. Now, in habitat, important condition is present, that is, these animals are exclusively marine. So, the phylum which was present before it, phylum Echinodermata, that was also exclusively marine, and hemichordates are also exclusively marine. We can also remember that phylum Ctenophora was also exclusively marine. So, these three phylums are exclusively marine phylums that we talk till now. After this, talking of the body form. So, their body is cylindrical, worm-like body is present. We can see in this diagram that this is cylindrical or worm-like structure which is present over here. Body has three distinct parts. The first part is called as proboscis. The second part is the collar, and the third part is the trunk, which is the longest part. Now, talking of the structure that we were talking about, stomochord. So, this was the particular structure which was confused to be notochord, but later found that it is not notochord and it is stomochord. So, this is a rudimentary structure. Rudimentary structure means not fully developed. So, this is stomochord, and it is present in the collar region. So, structure similar to notochord but not notochord certainly. After this, moving to characters which are present in basis of classification. So, organ system level, bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic, coelomate. Talking of the digestive system, it is complete digestive system. Respiratory system, there are gills present. So, gills will be present. Circulatory system will be open. In the case of excretory system, it will be proboscis gland. So, excretory structure is present in this anterior proboscis part, and that is why it is called as proboscis gland. Talking of the reproductive system, it is unisexual, that is, males and female sexes are separate. Sexual development is there. External fertilization, larva is present, so indirect development. Lastly, talking of the examples, the two examples are Balanoglossus and Saccoglossus. The example which is shown in this particular diagram is the Balanoglossus.